Hello, my name is Richard Lishman. I'm the Managing Director of Money4Dentists and the 4Dentists Group. I'm going to explain the main benefits that you need to consider when protecting your income. Sometimes income protection is called PHI or permanent health insurance. What income protection is all about is if you don't have a vast sum of money to fall back on, if you can't work due to sickness or injury, this is an assurance policy that will provide you with an income whilst you can't work due to sickness or injury until you return, or if you don't return to work until you retire, or unfortunately if death occurs beforehand. Now, there's a number of different factors that you need to consider when looking at your income protection. The first point is guaranteed premiums. Some providers out there do have what's called reviewable premiums. That means dependent upon how many claims the insurance company's received, that will determine what the premium is year on year. If you have guaranteed premiums, then you're guaranteed to know what the premium is year on year. Now, it may increase in line with inflation, but ordinarily it will only increase in line with inflation as your benefits increase in line with inflation. Own occupation is a big one because if you lose a finger and you can't carry extractions, you need to make sure that your income is maintained. So make sure that your income protection plan provides own occupation, because suited occupation, you are intelligent people, you may be able to go into lecturing or research, but do you want to? Suited occupation would mean that you'd have to follow one of those suited occupations. Whereas any occupation, if you can basically weave baskets, the insurance company will not pay. So that's paramount, having own occupation definition. Also make sure that the end date of the contract marries up with your retirement age, because if you're thinking about retiring at 55, then is it appropriate having an income protection plan that pays out until 60? Or if you've got an income protection plan that pays out to 55 and you're thinking about working to age 60, it's perhaps not appropriate, so get that checked out as well. Now, one of the more important points to remember is having cover at the period of time when you need it. And a lot of our clients do like to have the peace of mind that if they can't work from day one, say if they've got a cold or whatever it may be, a short-term illness where they can't work for a couple of days or so, then they can actually claim, and that's known as day one cover. My name is Richard Lishman. I'm the Managing Director of Money4Dentists and the 4Dentists Group. Thank you.